all of my friends.
After that, I give me look 2 pence before I cut again, because I don't know how long to go over there, you see me? So you will lady and I say.
Everybody roping for that. I want all of my friends and my family will know that story are roping. Come Mr. Sandystar come and I call me name and I tell me a lie. Sandystar, remember, you come and you talk your things them. No, this need crow. Don't tell a friend to tell a friend. Me and my kind of friend, but Sandystar our liad. No, this need crow. No, everybody roping pan this. Because Sandy get me cross. So long I the quiet time and I say not where I go on. And so long I sit down and I'm busy with them with all the way I go on between Macca who want beat her from who don't want beat her. But Sandystar go call me name. Sandystar, you're liad. Gyal, me be a father dead left me with 3 little baby. You tell me I want another baby number 4. Sandystar, when you come with the little boy, the little baby, when you come with the baby, and Macca send call me over the house. No, Macca come at the house. I said they go, no I lie. Macca send call when she did the rich man float to Long Island to Macca the David. And Macca send call me Sandy make we talk no. And Macca send call me, I'm go over there, you're over there. And while I was there in the hotel room, I said to me, say, ladyann, you can't keep my son for me, when name Keanu for me, because you have to up and down with Macca. You can't get to keep him on a foreign barn. And you say, some people did that keep him and them a file taxi and now give you the money. And then me can't keep him for you. And I said, no problem, Sandy. And Sandy, me take the little baby. And me have the little baby. And the little boy was a thief. Little boy thief my money, him thief my chaparita. And when you da come up, him da give you the money. The little boy thief me things that man give you Sandy, he never give me. Me not even know some choperator missing. And Macca tell me say, you have my choperator. Alright. Sandy, me never ask for $1 yet. Because you sit down, one day you come over the house. And you beg me a sneakers. Me just come from town, because them tell me I do road with the butter of them Sunday. And me have the whole Reebok sneakers, and me have them like every style, color, and shape. When me and Chris go do road, and you beg me one of them, and the one where they want, me do wear it one time. And me say, Sandy, me not go give you, because me not like the people things when me wear. Me prefer give you new sneakers. I said, no lady and mama, I want them want. And me give you the sneakers. Sandy, and me give you the sneakers. And you sit on the chair. And I settee with the empire draw, Sandy. And I say, Sandy, what's wrong with you? What happened to you? And you say, Macca not treat you good. That me that cook curry chicken and rice the day Sunday. Sunday, you say, Macca not treat you good. And I say, why Macca not treat you good? And you start to tell me, say, she only give you $100 where you not go on the road. And she get too much money and she not give you nothing. And you start to pour out your heart to me, Sunday. And Sunday, me listen to you, and you tell me, you said to me, say, Angel Doulas only must say I get 150. And when you're there, you pour out your heart to me. Me turn to you and me say, Sandy, you just tell me, say, Doulas only I get 150. If Macca even not give you $100, that's a 10 show. You should be take the $100 and just know, say, you want good, and you're going to just take the $100 and show them a Macca give you. I 150, me remember it go. I make yourself happy Sunday. And you say, no, and when me finish break it down to you, you say, lady, I don't know, say, I true you talk, you're going to do what me say. But Sunday, true, in them time, don't have it, say, me I mix up and me love chat. You run, go back. Go tell Macca, say, me a chat her. Me a talk one bag of thing about her, Sunday. Because Sandy, you the thing say, me don't go back to Macca. Go tell Macca what you da say. But no, Sandy, if you didn't know me, you should have asked Queen Paul about me. Me only do that because you have a right to pour out your heart. Because you say, Macca kept on the road and show like you. Must be 150, I sure. I remember me I break it down to you and I say, boy, Sandy, me wish me to have somebody to carry me on the road and I give me 150 a show. Because when me I do illegal, me I carry butter at town and me can't go to prison if my tree then left pick the them. And you say, all right, lady, and you're going to listen now, you're going to take the 150. And you not satisfied. You go back and tell Macca, say, Me, I chat to her, cause you afraid say, me don't say something to Maka, but Sandy, me not stay like you know. Anyway, Maka called me, I said, ladyann, drive, come over the hotel, come in for talk to you, me have some things to more talk to you about. I said, okay, Maka, no problem. Sunday, me drive, come at the hotel with Maka over the hotel, and I'm bring your son with me and my 3 picnic them, and Maka and Rhea in the hotel room, the guy we should be there with. If that guy the member and can come tell the truth. And we try and the picnic them, we send the picnic them go out night pool. And we sit down at the hotel. And I said, Maka, oh you mean you want to see me? And you said, lady on your body, oh you fear chat me. And I said, Maka, where you talk about? Me never chat you. And you say, yes, you and Sandy chat me. I said, no, Maka. Me and Sandy never chat you. Sandy pour out her heart, said that. You only giving her 150 a show, and I was encouraging her to come punish the road with you and take the 150 per show, because it's better than she there Jamaican or do nothing than where she carry up now say, because she might go to prison. The reason why Maka drop you, and a you blood clot drop Maka, and a two no mix up. Maka never want to go to prison, because when Maka and you are go on the road, you push up shit in you, and that if you come tell the people them liad Sunday. Tell the people them the truth. Me and Maka no friend, but truth are truth. And Maka never get no blood beaten Sandy because she both said Maka get beaten because them say she da carry the man name to the next man. You could even come tell a lie them straight. You could even come tell a lie them straight, Sandy. Stop tell lie. Girl, me never ask for $1 yet. Cause you never have nothing. Cause you say 150 I show Maka give you. When you too lie. When you come talk truth and stop tell lie for hype. Me say all along this thing I go on, you know, me stay out tight, you know. Me stay out tight. Sandy, you too lie. And Maka stop chat to you. And when your son dead, Maka never got the funeral. And that's why you beat her. Because when your son dead, and even me, they tell Maka say she should have got the funeral. She can't have you up so. Sandy, tell him talk truth now, Sandy. Me couldn't keep nothing in my house through the little boy. And me call the fat and you that chat me and say, true me, I go up on the road, little boy, I must say a thief. I must say your altar that you be a father, say little boy thief, the little boy father. When me call him, the father say, he may have to beat the little boy regular, because the little boy have a hand problem. Sandy, you're too wicked. Wicked. You give me little boy not even clothes. You beg me. Girl, you tell me the one your expense and me that already have 3. I me take care of the little boy, be a good clothes. Not even clothes I never have for the little boy. Can I say, are you auntie have him and shall take him social and not give you nothing? Sandy, what you talk about? Don't come up here, come tell a lie. Don't come up here, come tell a lie, Sandy. Can be a lie, you tell. Maka na get the beaten because she boss yell. Maka get beaten for news carrying. And that Maka get beaten for. Because them say she that carry news back and forth. Sandy, you're too wicked. Sandy, you're wicked. You're liad, you're wicked. Come talk truth. You did not chat the girl. You did not chat her. Why you bring me, why not draw me night? Why you draw me night? Wicked liar, girl. Bought me out for money, girl. Me never asked you for nothing yet. Never. Cause you didn't have anything. Cause all this Maka gear was 150 and you didn't have the wally picnic them. And you beg me to keep your child cause me never want to keep him. And Maka say, and help her out, man. And Maka beg me to help you out. And I say, alright. When you give me little boy, not even clothes. When me I give about the picnic, I wally for clothes. And the reason why me give about little boy, time the thief. Him thief me choperator and Maka say, what woman choperator then? I saw you give me back me choperator. With me name pan it to him thief. I couldn't put on nothing. Him thief. So you come talk about. Bought me out for money. Liar, girl. You didn't have nothing. When you come me packing up and sending them back to Jamaica. Shoes, clothes, money, everything. Phone, everything. You're too wicked and lie, Sandy man. You're too wicked. You beat against Maka, come Maka no come at your son funeral we dead. Come talk truth. Come talk truth. But me ask you for money, wicked girl, you did that chat Maka. And then you go back and tell Maka say me a chatter. And I did have to defend my when Maka bring you in front of me and everything bust out. Maka say you're evil. And you did not do the chatting Sunday. So stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. Come talk truth if you want to talk. Up to 2 years ago, I see over Kings County. I mean, I ask if you Maka don't make sure. I say Maka should have come at your baby funeral. I mean, tell us, I say to her, she should have come at your son funeral. Me will say to her, you taught the girl wicked Sandy. Cause you did jealous because she don't need a pay 150. So you say, I want it more things. Don't call up my name and tell a lie for me. Cause me am a big daughter. Me am a windbreaker daughter. And me other pick them can't prove I'm a big son. When they give me little boy nothing, you never have a dollar. Nothing you have. Son, you forgot some me give your clothes and shoes to go back on the road with Maka with. And give you money too. And this girl come to her, hey girl, you for go away now. Come on, know who put you to come with a fake story. Don't call me name man, no. Come on, some bunch of hypocrites, me don't know from nowhere. A champion of my friend. Oh. Don't call up my name because you're wicked. You're wicked. You come and tell me a lie upon the girl. Just because you and the girl fall out. You know not that make the girl get no beaten. You know a news carrying make she get beaten. And you come with a lie. Stop tell lie. You chat the girl talk about the girl mouth stink. Oh, General B fuck her and say her all good and her mouth, but her mouth too stink. You forgot? You forgot? And me say, what kind of friend them? I call Nancy and Champion and say, what kind of friend them they? Because me and Nancy and Champion they close, no.
First and foremost, let me say R.I.P. to Sister Charmaine, you know? Yeah, man. Sister Charmaine, they are same way I watch her go on. You see? Big up to ladyann. Yeah, my ladyann keep it real. And I more believe a ladyann I say convincingly. And everything adds up now. So ladyann said she did a watch and I see the lies them I tell. That's why she come out because her name mentioned Zine and she have to correct everything. Now with the mix up with ladyann and Sandystar and Mackadiamond and the mix up by them vex, me not have nothing to do with that. You know, the story is more directed and stabilized upon the fact that Mackadiamond got beaten with too much over 20 and man in the yard. That story that sound more real. That's what I say. I don't know again to the accused. Them still don't want to call name, but we all know who it is. The accused, you don't know. At them time that you're young and you have money and you're hype and ego and be a yes man around you. You see me? You can't forgive the accused, you know, because maybe sometimes people make mistake. And nobody's perfect. Everybody make mistake in life. And that's all I have to say. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section now. Zine Ladyann's story is more convincingly than Sandystar. I think so. You don't know a lion foot. I will keep the thing really on the back of field.